Ian here, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about whether or not shared Google Drive folders and files stay there forever. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. This is the Shared With Me section of my personal Google Drive account, and you can see I have quite a few files in there as well as some folders. And the question is, well, if someone shares something with me, will it be there forever? And the answer is no. There are several situations where that file or folder may disappear later on, and these are what they are. So like, let's say that we have this traffic and parking appendix, and Chloe decides to unshare it, to remove it from a shared file or delete it and remove access to all the other people who are collaborators. If that's the case, then the file would disappear and it's no longer available. The second issue that may come up is if you remove the file. So let's say that I want to remove this particular file from my Google Drive account. All I have to do is select it, click the trash icon, and then it will be permanently deleted after 30 days or something. So they give you a little bit of time to find it later on. And then the third thing that you need to know about any sort of online cloud service where they supposedly protect all your files and folders forever is that oftentimes that's just a big fat lie. Google may change its terms, may change its programs, may go out of business, may be sold to somebody else, and the files and folders that are shared with you, whether they're free or whether you're using a paid account, they may not be accessible later on if the company changes its policy or decides to start charging money for more money for keeping lots of files. And actually, I'm about to shortly reach the end of my free account, so I may have to, once this reaches 15 gigabytes, I may actually have to pay to start accessing all the files and folders that I want. Note that currently, Google says that if someone shares a file with you, it doesn't count towards that total, but this is something that I bet they will change sometime in the future. So just keep that in mind. It's always, if for important files, it's always really good to keep your own copy. And I'm not just talking about keeping your own copy in Google Drive, but actually downloading a copy to your hard drive. If necessary, printing it out if it's a particularly important document, so you have a hard copy if there's ever any reason that you need that document later on, because it's not fun to lose your data. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz, you can find the book that I wrote about Google Drive and Docs. It's now in its third edition, Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. And it's really an excellent little guide to not only Drive and Docs, but also Sheets, Slides, Forms, and many of the other tools that are part of the Google application suite. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.